Hello everybody and welcome back to Krueger Family Farms. Well, today is the day we're rolling on fall tillage. My dad and grandpa are coming up the field right now with the 966 International and the John Deere 5-bottom moldboard plow, so I'm going to spin the camera around and let you see the tractor grunt a little bit. We got her grunting a little today. Not a bad thing. Right now I'm sitting on the Kubota B2650 because I currently am sitting with the engine hood on this, the silver dash on the hood, so they can see exactly where to aim for with the tractor. We usually haven't used the 966 to plow in the past. We usually would use my great uncle's 4430, but that is not running right now, so we got our big dog running, and then we don't have to have my great uncle do the plowing for us. We're doing it ourselves, and I'm going to be doing some plowing later. And when I start plowing, I might see if my dad can get some footage for me for the channel for y'alls. I'll see about it. If I don't, I'm sorry, but right now I'm actually gonna start this old horse up, so when they get up here to me, I can get out of their way when they get here, because I'm not doing all the tedious plowing. That's my dad and grandpa's job, or my dad or grandpa's job, because I don't want to do the tedious stuff. I'll do the straight back and forth shots, no problem. The tedious, yeah, I'll just, no thank you. But here they come. The plow's working really nice, so is the tractor. Changed the oil in it this morning, and she's running like a champ. Here they come. They're letting her roar. Iron horse, and we don't even got the duals on her. She's plowing so flipping nice. She's running nice. She's running super nice, actually. It's actually crazy how nice she's running right now. We actually had to do a weld on the plow earlier today just to fix the spot on it. Weld broke. Actually, part broke, so we had to weld it up. Actually, my dad welded it up because he's a pro welder, so we let him do it. Yeah, we're doing fall tillage, Krueger Family Farms style today. We're plowing her pretty deep. We're actually running real deep right now with the plow. And today, I don't know who I'm gonna give a shout out to today yet. I'm just trying to, actually no, I'm gonna give a shout out to my dad and grandpa for helping me get into farming like this out here on the family ground. I couldn't have done it without them. So I'm rolling right now. We're rolling. Tractor's slipping a little. Nice lock in the differential lock, I think. I'm not the one doing the plowing right now, so I mean, if we start slipping too bad, we'll put the duals on it. We'll go pick them up from our neighbor that borrowed them and borrowed the tractor for a few years. So he's got the duals for it, so if we need, we can go get them at his place and put them on. Because in a way, I kind of would like to have the duals on the one side just for extra traction, the side that's not going to be in the furrow. I guess we're going to see how she runs, because so far she's running really nice. But she's scouring super nice. Yeah, my dad doesn't want his face in the camera. My grandpa really is not they're not huge camera people. That's more of a me thing, but we're rolling. I don't think she's running wide open, but she very well could be. We got her grunting, and she's rolling a little bit of coal every now and again. When she starts pulling hard, she'll shoot the black out of that stack. Yeah, we're rolling today. We rolling. Two of my buddies had said, oh, you've been saying you're gonna plow it for the last 3 years. I'm like, heh. Yeah, you know, all those people who've said that were doing it for the last 3 years, guess what? We're actually rolling on it now. Bentley, Thummel, you're getting a shout out to today. Actually, I'll shut the camera off here quick. Tractor issue.